Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 introduced some brand new watch faces. It comes with some funny and fancy watch faces. You can set them according to your needs. Trust me, it is super simple. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of how to change the watch face on your Galaxy Watch 6. Not only this, I will also show how to set a custom watch face that is not present in the Galaxy Watch face library. At the end of the video, I will explain the top 3 watch faces to make your task easy and handy. But first, let's see how you can change the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 watch face. You can do it from your watch as well as from your phone. First, I am going to tell you how to change the clock face by using your Watch 6. Take your watch and hold its watch face. Now swipe left until you find the plus icon. Tap on it. Here, you will find various types of fantastic and stylish watch faces. All watch faces are categorized under graphical, informative, health, classic, simple, basic, and downloaded watch face category. If you need health information, then choose watch face from the health tab. Take your time to explore the different styles, colors, and designs available. When you find a watch face you like, tap on it to download. After downloading, you can select it for your watch face. Here, you will see another option to customize this watch face. Tap on it to customize the watch face. Here, you can change the watch face according to your preference. Select colors, complications, and background that suit your preferences. Play around with the settings until you are satisfied. Once you have customized your watch face, save it and press the side home button. The watch face you selected will appear on the home screen of your Galaxy Watch 6. Check your watch face screen, it is successfully changed. Now, I will tell you how you can change Galaxy Watch 6 watch face with the help of Samsung Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. For this, open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone. Now, tap on watch faces. Select the watch face and change or customize it according to your needs. Tap on Save. Now check this on your Watch 6 home screen. But what if you did not like any watch faces from the library? In that case, you need more watch faces. Don't worry, I will tell you the 2 best ways to get more watch faces and how to set custom watch faces on Galaxy Watch 6. First, I will explain how you can add watch faces directly from the Play Store. For this, open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone and tap on the watch face again. This time, scroll down and tap on Get More Watch Faces. You will be redirected to the Play Store where you can install any watch face directly. Here, both paid and free watch faces are available. Select the watch face and tap on Install to try it. After successful installation, you can see this watch face under the downloaded category on your Galaxy Watch face library. You can select it and customize it. Once your customization is complete, tap on the Save button. That's it. To get more watch faces, you need to install the third-party app that provides watch faces. I can suggest you one of the most popular and really good app, that is Facer. Install it from the Play Store. You can either install it on your watch or on your connected phone. I installed it on my Watch 6. You need to do one thing to set the watch face on your Galaxy Watch 6. Select Facer as the watch face from the downloaded watch face section in your Galaxy Watch 6. After this, select any watch face from the Facer app and tap on it to activate it. It will automatically be set as your watch face. This is all about changing or customization of the watch face. Now, I will tell you the 3 best watch faces for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Samsung's new sleep coaching watch face helps you track your sleep and gives tips to improve it. It shows your sleep score and cute sleep animal based on your habit. It is a great way to keep your sleep in focus. If you tap on the screen, then you will get all sleeping data instantly. Samsung's photo sticker watch face allows you to add your favorite photo on the screen and you can customize it according to your needs. There are 4 spot options to add complications. You can add 3 complications and 1 spot is for emojis. This one is the best choice for personalization. Try it and I am sure you will love it. Info board is a great watch face for info lovers. You can see lots of details at a glance with 5 complications. You can even tap on each for more details. It is about keeping you informed and in control all the time. This one is the best Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 face for getting stats instantly. Which watch face will you prefer for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6? Tell us in the comment section. In my opinion, switching up your Galaxy Watch 6 look is super easy and fun. Customize it with a range of cool watch faces to match your vibe. Experiment and find your favorite. That's it in today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more useful wearable tech videos.